List 10, the more the merrier. This is your intro video. So your roots for this week are plur, multi, and poly, and mega. And they all have to do with large or big or more or many. So plur is your first root, and it is a Latin root that means more. Your words for this root are plural, pluralism, plurality, pluralize, and plurals. So I've broken your words down into two groups. Plural, plurals, and pluralism kind of all are very, very similar. So plural, you have your root plur with an AL. Plurals is the plural version of plural. So you just add an S. And then pluralism, you add an I between the L and the S and then an M at the end for pluralism. Plurality and pluralize are a little bit different. You have your root plur, and then you have your AL. So if you notice, all of these words start with PLURAL. And then for plurality, you have your ITY at the end. For pluralize, you have your IZE. Your next roots are multi and poly, and they mean many, and they are both Greek roots. So your words for these roots, are multiply, multidisciplinary, multiple, multimedia, multitude, multiplication, multifold, polygon, polymer, polygraph, and polytheistic. So your words that have the multi root in them are multiply, multiple, and multiplication. All of these roots have your root multi and then PL. So multiply has the Y at the end, multiple has the E at the end, and then multiplication. I break that into those chunks. Multitude is a little bit different because it has the multi, the I says I instead of the long I with multi, so multitude. And then multidisciplinary, multimedia, and multifold all have your root multi and then another word, disciplinary, media, and fold. And then for your words that have poly, you have polygon, polygraph, and polytheistic. And then all of those words, poly sounds like poly, so polygon, polygraph, polytheistic. I'd break that word into chunks. So polymer is a little bit different because it has the root poly in it, but the Y sounds more like an I, polymer. Just giving you a heads up on that. Your last root is mega, and it means million, great, or large. And it's a Latin root. Your words are megalopolis, megabit, megalosaurus, and megabyte. So I've broken these into two different groups, megalopolis and megalosaurus. Both have your mega and then low, and then the rest of the word. Please note that megalosaurus is capitalized because it is a proper noun. So megalosaurus must be capitalized. Megabit and megabyte are very similar. So megabit, megabit. Megabyte, you do need to be careful because the I sound in megabyte is a Y. So just be careful on that. So for your homework, for your roots are across the top. In the smaller box right below each root, write what it means, and then draw a picture to help you remember what the roots mean.